I want us to go to what I'm seeing online. Semi. Na watu ni kama wameanza kuongea about it kidogo.
Okay.
Ringtone Apoko.
Mr. Apoko mwenyewe.
Amemwandikia Zari barua pale kwenye Twitter.
All right.
Anamwambia that I know you are coming to Kenya anytime from now, and it's true. She's actually supposed to be, I think by kesho atakuwa amesha check in. Akona program fulani ambayo ana run cancer awareness and all that. Sasa anasema, I take this opportunity to welcome you to my beloved country. Why is he making it sound like Zari is coming to Kenya for the first time? But it's okay. Anaendelea kusema, I checked and I realized that you were in church on Sunday. I'm happy because it's only in Jesus that you won't be hurt like Diamond did. Please stay in church and in God. You recently posted on your IG that you wanted a Range Rover. Okay, I took note. And I want to let the world know today that I have bought you a brand new Range Rover Sport 2017 model.
Wachie hapo. First of all, Ringtone inafaa. You are Mr. Ringtone. I love your name, Mr. Ringtone Apoko. So Ringtone, Mr. Apoko.
Afanye nini Timmy? There's a long letter. Can I continue before?
No, wait. Number one, anunuliwe stalking sababu yeye ni stalker. Amestalk Zari. Akapata nenda kanisa. Number ya pili, Ringtone inafaa sasa anze vile atachukua loan because account yake itenda not just to zero but to negative. Anataka kwanza kuwa na madeni.
No, he probably has the money. Let me continue, Timmy. Sasa amenunua hiyo Range Rover Sport 2017 model. Anasema, I'm sorry, I know you wanted a white one, but I only managed a black one in color. Please arrange how to pick your key ya ile gari before you leave. While in Kenya, if you need anything,
I mean anything, mahali pa kulala,
let me know. I will make sure it's done for you.
Kitu kingine, huyu mtu ni fisi na akona tactic. Anti kuja uchukue kifungu.
Maybe he's just being a good Samaritan.
Akuja uchukue kifungu.
He's a gospel artist, anataka tu kumkaribisha mtu vizuri. But we'll talk about it. Wachana na story ya Zari, sababu hapa kuna ukweli bado tunaendelea kutafuta.
Jesus.
Energy.